Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in Scotia Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Scotia Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now over here we can see this option called Activate Now since we are new to Scotia Bank online banking. So let's tap on this and click on Activate Now. Now choose the type or the account type you have got. And we need to enter our account number, enter your name, and enter your date of birth. Now simply click on continue, after which the verification of the details you have given will be done, after which we can set up our new username and password, after which the online banking of Scotia Bank will finally be activated. So that is all we can do to get enrolled in Scotia Bank online banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.